earlier in the day, we saw a glimpse of Reshma Pathan, India's first stunt woman. And I think the question to ask is, how much has changed from then to now? Women in the industry of entertainment and arts have always been disruptors. And it is my great pleasure now to welcome back on stage friends of the festival. Those who are familiar with We the Women have seen both of these guests before, opening the doors for Rohini Iyer and Reshma Pathan, the disruptors of our times. Yes. Rohini, I'll start with you because Reshma ji se thoda pehle baat kar rahe the, so we'll start with you. Sure. You've got this big moment that's just happened to you professionally with the entire Emmy universe, and I want you to share that news with everybody here.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm just so happy to see you.
Let's show Rohini some love.
Hi, this is Rohini again. Hi. Okay, I can see some really excited faces here.
Yeah.
How's everyone doing? How's the energy? Great. Okay, so the new Emmy universe you're talking about? Okay, so I've just been elected member of the Emmys. I've
just elected member of the Emmys.
Just someone who has spent all her life just being crazy about the world of movies, about TV, about everything to do with cinema. I think it's a dream come true for me.
Fabulous.
Yeah, and I think for every Indian.
We are so proud of you, Rohini. Rohini, did you ever think, you know, we've been asking people when you were young, what did you want to do? Did you ever think you'd be here? Did you ever think you'd be here?
I think I knew I would be here because when I grew up, I wanted to be Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman?
Wonder Woman, yeah. Always. And I always wanted to rule the world. And I always wanted everything. And I always felt I want to take over the city. I want to take over everything. I want to make my country proud. And I want to also have a lot of global domination, which is what I'm aiming towards now. And yeah, so I think I was a little cheeky little kid, and I'm sure you know that because we've spoken many times.
But what would you say to all the young girls here who have moments of self-doubt?
You know, when in doubt, just fake it. That's what Rihanna says, and that's what I believe in.
Fake it till you make it?
Just fake it till you make it, because you know, everything, the most successful person in the universe goes and cries in the bathroom sometimes, and it's okay.
Yeah.
So, you know, we are all there and we are all in it together. And if you're not going to believe that you're going to make it, I have the saying since I was a child I believed in that if you don't see it, you can't be it.
Yeah.
So you have to just see it. And at some point it'll happen and you just need to believe that it'll happen.
रेशमा जी बहुत कुछ बदला आपके टाइम से आज के टाइम पे आपके लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल था हम पहले भी जावेद साहब के साथ बात कर रहे थे आज की लड़कियों को एज इंडियाज फर्स्ट स्टंट वुमन आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी
यही कि
माइक थोड़ा ऊपर
भी स्टंट करना है तो कर सकती हैं मगर उसके लिए मजबूत दिल बनाना पड़ेगा और आज लड़की कोई कम नहीं है स्टंट करना कोई आसान बात नहीं है लेकिन हम आसान को भी मुश्किल को भी आसान करके बता देते हैं हम औरतें आज बहुत मजबूत है औरतें किसी मर्दों से कम नहीं है आज हमारा बराबरी का रुतबा है तो हमें कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए अगर हम कभी किसी चीज़ में अगर कामयाब ना भी हुए तो उसके लिए कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए एक ना एक दिन तो कामयाबी ज़रूर मिलेगी
Rohini, Reshma makes it sound so simple. Is it that simple? What has been the toughest part of your journey till this point?
Oh, the toughest part is every day for me. Every day I wake up and I'm like, where's the crisis? What's the next battle I'm fighting? Who is going to underestimate me now? Being a woman, that's always happened. And I think a lot of girls and all the women here will agree with me on that.
Let's put that to the audience. Raise your hand if you've ever felt underestimated. Do people think you're going to... Raise your hand if you think you've been underestimated. That's a lot of hands going up. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have a saying like, even for this, I mean, I have a lot of mottos. I'm like a motto girl. So basically, I do believe that every time somebody underestimates you, I'm like, okay, bring it on, underestimate me, it'll be fun. It's like, you know, that scene from Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. Big mistake, huge.
रेशमा जी, कभी लगता है कि कभी रिग्रेट हुआ कि आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आए बहुत मुश्किल था कि मजे आए
नहीं मैं तो कभी सोची भी नहीं थी
अच्छा
कुछ हालात ऐसे हो गए फैमिली के कि जिसकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत रास्ते पर हो गए थे का खेल दिखा रही थी मैं बचपन से ज़रा टफ रफ थी, टैक्सियों पे चढ़ के जंप मारना वगैरह, तो बुरे वक्त में वही काम आया मुझे। तो कर रही थी तो ये अजीम भाई फाइट मास्टर थे जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नामचीन थे वो उस ज़माने के, उन्होंने देखा तो सब लोगों ने तो 2-2 पैसा 5-5 पैसा दिया, उन्होंने 2 रुपए हाथ में दिए। मैंने कहा मेरे पास छुट्टे नहीं है, तो बोले तुम रख लो बेटे और तुम्हारा एड्रेस दो। मैंने उनको बोला क्यों चाहिए, बोले तुम दो, तुम्हारे अब्बा से मिलना है। मैंने एड्रेस दे दिया, वो घर आए, मेरे अब्बा को बोले तो मेरे अब्बा तो सीधा ना बोल दिए, बोले वो ज़माने में बहुत बुरा समझा जाता था तो ना बोल दिए। फिर मैंने मेरी मम्मी को पटाया, बुर्का पहनती थी वो, मैं बोली अपन दवा खाने का बहाना करके चलते, तो फेमस स्टूडियो में बुलाया था हमको। तो हम फेमस स्टूडियो में गए, ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर फ्लोर था, वहाँ एक खिलाड़ी 52 पत्ते की शूटिंग चल रही थी, उसमें लक्ष्मी छाया हीरोइन थी। तो वहाँ एक लड़का लेडीज कपड़े पहनकर शॉट दे रहा था,
हाँ।
तो वो दे नहीं पा रहा था, एक ऐसा चक्कर जैसा था, वो घूमता और उसका अनबैलेंस होके वो गिर जाता है, गिर जाती है हीरोइन, ऐसा बताना था। वो रुक जाता था, बहुत तो काफ़ी 12-13 रीटेक हो गए। अब मुझे रीटेक का भी मतलब नहीं मालूम था उस जमाने में।
तो
और
मतलब
कट का
बिल्कुल ही मतलब बिल्कुल ही एक्सीडेंट
हाँ।
से आपका एंट्री हुआ।
हाँ,
ये
कट
मैं
भी नहीं।
हाँ सॉरी आप बोले।
फिर इसके बाद अजीम अंकल ने क्या पता क्या कहा, बोले ये देगी शॉट। अब डायरेक्टर बोल रहे कि ये तो
पर
मेरी
ये बताइए
गलती।
मजा आया कि नहीं, कि रिग्रेट लगता है?
मेरा फर्स्ट शॉट ओके हो गया ना तो मजा आया, बल्कि पैसा मिला 175 हाथ में कैश।
175 रुपीज, वाओ।
जहाँ 2-2 रुपए 2-2
जी।
पैसे 5-5 पैसे मिलते वहाँ 175 एक शॉट का मिल
नहीं,
गया, तो उससे
wonderful
ज्यादा क्या
story.
चाहिए।
Rohini, one of the things that women find
But
it
before I start, I really think she deserves a round of applause.
She really does.
Her life is fascinating.
Thank you.
Fascinating.
Backstage, she was telling me that she was hanging from the 41st floor of a building.
Wow.
Suspended by just ropes, without a harness, without any nothing, no
Huge
safety.
round of applause
Huge
for Reshma
applause.
ji.
And to do that and to come here, respect, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Last word to you, Rohini. Money and women. We were talking earlier with our business panel with Nisaba and Vinita and others about how women are so tentative about money. Has that changed as an entrepreneur? You know, as a leading entrepreneur in this space, how much has changed? Have you, are you squeamish about talking money, or are you hard-nosed negotiator?
You know, I'm glad you asked me this question, Barkha, because I used to be an artist.
Yeah.
I'm still an artist at heart. So I was always like, oh, try to intellectualize it and say, I don't care about money, I don't work for money, I'm here for the love of it. Yes, we all are, but I do believe that money is important. And as women, I feel we also kind of sell ourselves really short.
Yeah.
We are apologetic about asking for what we're worth. We are always thinking, we put a price on our value. And we put a price which is determined by other people, not by
Yeah,
what we should
yeah.
actually be getting.
Yeah.
So I do believe that that is something that's changed down the years. I've learned through mistakes, through trial and error. But at this point, I'm like almost like L'Oreal. I'm like, I'm worth it. Pay me or I walk.
Fabulous. Let's have a big round of applause for the disruptors. I want you to show them some love. Come on. In fact, Rohini is headed straight to the airport from here to attend the Emmys on the 25th. So let's wish her luck.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.